That nagging cough, waking up with the flu, the pain in your ankle that won't go away. Being a college student comes with lots of new challenges, like where do I go when I need to see a doctor? The UC Student Health Insurance Plan has you covered. For most care, you'll start with your campus student health center. It's the closest and most convenient place to get care. Plus, you'll pay little to nothing for routine care like physicals, vaccinations, and prescriptions for your medical issues. No surprise bills, no major stress. And you have an even bigger care team at your fingertips. You can see any provider that's part of the UC Family and Anthem Blue Cross networks. Simply get a referral from your doctor at the Student Health Center and bring your medical ID card with you. You can find your medical ID card on the Student Health app. Have an urgent medical issue? Contact Live Health online or go straight to an urgent care clinic or the emergency room. You don't need a referral for this, but keep in mind that you'll pay more for this type of care. And what happens if you need care off campus? If you need to see a doctor for basic care, you'll pay a low copay when you see someone in the UC Family or Anthem network. Just remember to call the Student Health Center first to get your referral. If you need additional care and visit a hospital, you typically pay for services until you meet your deductible. That's the amount you pay out of pocket for health care before the plan begins to share in the cost of covered services. Once that's met, UCSHIP starts to help pay for care. If you visit a hospital in the Anthem Blue Cross network, what you pay depends on your campus's specific plan, but you'll never pay more than the annual out-of-pocket maximum. That's the most you'll have to pay each year before the plan pays 100% of covered services. View the benefit book for your campus for more details about how your plan works. And don't forget, UCSHIP provides holistic coverage with dental, behavioral health, and vision benefits. A dental or vision clinic may also be available on your campus. Check with your student health center for more info. Quality, affordable, and convenient healthcare. That's the mission of UCSHIP. Visit ucop.edu/UCSHIP to learn more about your student health benefits.